Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to convert an Outlook email message to a calendar appointment. So let me go ahead and launch Outlook. I don't want to sign in. Cancel that. Alright, so got my email account here. There's nothing in my inbox. And if I click on my calendar, you'll see I have nothing on my calendar appointment for this month. So I'm going to see if I can send an email and have some information for September the 8th. And let's see if we can convert it. So to do that, I'll send myself an email. So let me just go to new. I'll go to test myitexexpress.com. I'll say meet Matt on Tuesday at 8 p.m. I'll put that in the subject, and then I'll just put it in the body also and click send. So now within a few seconds here, I'll get this email back. It says, hey, meet Matt on Tuesday at 8 p.m. You can even click on it. So now that it's here, I'll close out of that, and then if I so now what I'll do is I'll take this email, and you will left click and drag down here to your calendar in the bottom left and let go, and it will initiate the meeting invite appointment for you. And so you would just change the date and the time. I think I said 8 p.m. and click save. Before I do that, there is another way to do it. If you have it selected and you go up here to meeting, you can go ahead and this one will, I think this one actually replies to that person with a meeting. So you'll see the two options selected here. So if you want to include whoever sent you that email, if you want to include them in that meeting, you can just select that option and continue on selecting the date, the time, excuse me, and then save or send, and it will save it. But I don't want to include, by default you may not want to include that person who sent you the email. Maybe you would, but by default I typically don't. I just want to keep it on the calendar on my end. So I'll usually use this this option just to select the email, drag it down to the calendar, and let go, and it'll automatically create that calendar appointment. And you don't have to invite any attendees. If you want to, you could, but I'm not going to invite any attendees. I'll just leave it on my own calendar, set the date and time, Tuesday at 8, save. This time I'm getting a save option, not the send. Save and close. And if I go to my calendar now, you'll notice that I have that meeting set up for Tuesday the 8th at 8 p.m. Alright, hope this little tidbit of information was helpful for you guys. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.